and all of you will raise your hand if you will be having any problem. Okay, so let's start our new chapter.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to share the PDF with you guys. Give me 1 second to share that. Okay, it's done.
मैम आज आप स्कूल से पढ़ा रहे हो क्या?
No dear. All right, so this is the new chapter. Okay. Sujal, switch on your video and unmute yourself. Sujal Nirmani. Same with Palak. Palak, start your video. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Vanchika, I want you to unmute yourself. Vanchika, come on, Neruka. Yes.
मैम स्क्रीन शेयर मत करो, बुक है.
Yes, ma'am. We have books.
Yes, ma'am.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Chitra Vashisht, please unmute yourself. I hope all of you are sitting in a peaceful environment.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, मैम alone.
Yes, start your video, Chitra, and unmute. Chitra Vashisht, you may unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me check the chat box. Okay, Hardik Swami. Yes, Palak, I have. Mark your present.
Okay, ma'am.
Mehul Sharma. Are you not having the number of any one of your friend, Mehul, to get the work? Okay, I'll get it for you. All right. Varsha Vaishali, please unmute yourself.
मैम साइंस की तो पीडीएफ्स भी आ गई.
Which PDF you got, Sujal? Which PDF you got?
मैम both the chapter first and second.
Okay. First and second chapter you got of notes and question answers, everything.
मैम मैंने खोल के तो नहीं देखी, पर लिंक तो आ गया.
Okay, fine. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I think Mehul, you will be able to do your work from there. All right. So let's start our chapter, that is heat and its effect. Okay. So what is heat actually? Everybody is aware of heat. Okay. Heat. हम समझते हैं ना कि if I am having a pan of hot water and if I'll dip your finger in that, will you feel that it's hot? Right? So what is heat? It is also a form of energy, right? In previous classes, we have studied about different forms of energy, and light was one of them, right? We have studied about the light. That light is also a form of energy. We studied the rectilinear propagation of light. So similarly, like that, it is also a form of energy. Okay. Which gives us the sensation of hotness and coldness, right? कौन सी चीज गर्म है, कौन सी चीज ठंडी है? See, I put. Okay, Hardik, whenever I want someone to read out, then I'll ask you. Okay? You will be the first one, Hardik Swami, to read. Okay? So, it gives you the feel of hotness and coldness, right? If I'll put a piece of ice on your palm, what will happen? You will feel cold now, right? And if you remember, at the time of exercises we do in the winter, Shakil sir asked you to rub your hands tightly like this. Okay. So what happened when we do this? We feel warmth, right?
Yes.
Heat occur होती है and we feel warm. Okay. So ये कैसे होता है? How does it happen? And what is heat? What is heat energy actually? What are its different forms? What is conduction? What is convection? What is radiation? All these things we are going to discuss in this chapter, right? We will discuss about land breeze, sea breeze also. Okay. Along with this, wait, let me unmute Chitra once. Chitra, now you may. And one more. I'm going to search for Vanshika. Yes, Vanshika, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So heat is also a form of energy, right? So many forms of energy are there. See, we use fossil fuels for the energy, right? Petrol, coal, ये सब भी हम energy के लिए use करते हैं. Okay, so chemical energy, solar energy, thermal energy, heat energy, light energy, potential energy, which is further divided into kinetic energy, potential energy. So many types of energies are there. Okay. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another. I repeat myself, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another form. Okay? जब हम फ्यूल बर्न करते हैं तो क्या होता है, उनमें जो केमिकल एनर्जी होती है वो हीट एनर्जी में ट्रांसफर हो जाती है, राइट? सी इफ आई एम यूजिंग अप हीट एनर्जी में भी ट्रांसफर करने की बहुत सी, समटाइम्स वी यूज केमिकल एनर्जी टू गेट टर्न इनटू हीट एनर्जी, राइट? हम कोल जलाते हैं तो क्या होता है, उसकी जो केमिकल एनर्जी है वो हीट एनर्जी में ट्रांसफॉर्म होती है. समटाइम आई यूज इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी टू गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू हीट एनर्जी. सिंपल एग्जांपल इज गीजर. सिंपल एग्जांपल इज आयरन. आयरन में हम क्या करते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी यूज करते हैं, राइट? वी यूज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड दैट इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी इज ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड इनटू, ट्रांसफॉर्म होती है हीट एनर्जी में, राइट? द आयरन गेट्स हॉट. Okay, the iron gets hot, and after that I gave you the example of geysers. The same thing happened in the geyser also, right? It is also having a rod inside it which gets heated when it gets electricity. So here there also electric energy is getting transformed into heat energy. Okay? So heat energy can also be transformed into other forms of energy. Beta, please keep yourself either muted or sit in a peaceful environment. Those who are unmuted, they don't have to. Energy of burning petrol is converted into mechanical energy in a car. Okay? So energy kya hai? What is energy? It is the capacity to do the work, right? It is the capacity to do work. जब आप में एनर्जी होगी तभी तो आप काम करोगे. And we get energy from food, right? Similarly, different articles need different types of energies, right? Your car, your automobile needs fossil fuel energy of fossil fuels, right? So heat must be able to perform work. Okay, अगर मैं अपने हमारे घरों की बात करूँ, then we use heat for making food, cooking our food, right? I have given you the example of geyser also. We use that for hot water. Okay, we use it ironing our clothes, right? Iron का example भी मैंने अभी आपको दिया. Okay, so what is how the heat is being measured? It is being measured in the terms of temperature. Okay, and what device we are using it to do this, to know our body temperature and the surroundings, we use thermometers, right? You must have seen the thermal scanners are also available everywhere. If the elders, I hope you guys must not be going outside nowadays, but your elders must be going for their regular work or some important things. So when we enter somewhere in any, they used to check our temperature with the thermal scanning used to is done. Okay, even in our school premises also, when we enter, the guards are used to do the thermal scanning. Right? It will tell, it will tell your body temperature, your heat of your body. Okay. All right. So heat is measured in joules or calories. Okay. ऐसा unit क्या है? Joule. All right. Okay. Now, if what are the effects of heat that we are going to discuss? So now I'm going to use board for that. Okay. And be ready with your copies, everyone. You guys have to write along with me. And if your copies are there with me, use the pin pages. Don't write in the rough copies. And keep them safely so that you can paste them whenever you get your copies. Okay? So let's start. Give me 1 second.
मैंने नोट्स शेयर कर रहे हो
Sorry. Yes, Kala?
मैम वो जो नोट्स है हमको हैंड टू हैंड लिखना है ना
Yes, you have to hand to hand, you have to write in your copy or pin page, whatever you are having with you. Okay?
हम 4th चैप्टर के भी है notes.
Yeah. But
Okay, ma'am.
these you have to write along with me. Okay? Open up your copies, everyone. Everyone means everyone. And switch on your video so that I can check whether you are writing or not. Stop sharing this. Okay, Chitra. Yes, Vanshika, any doubts? Is the whole board visible to you guys? Is the whole board visible? I don't think. Wait, let me set it once.
मैम चित्रा आ रही है स्क्रीन पे तो.
मैम प्लीज रिमूव द स्पॉटलाइट वीडियो फ्रॉम माय
Wait, Vija. Let me check out what's the problem today. Is it visible?
यस मैम नो मैम मैम फिर वीडियो भी नहीं आ रहा डबल टैप कर मैम प्लीज रिमूव द स्पॉटलाइट वीडियो फ्रॉम माय साइड
Sorry?
मैम प्लीज रिमूव द स्पॉटलाइट वीडियो फ्रॉम माय साइड मैम
Yes, ma'am.
So start writing. First write down the definition of heat. Is the form of energy. Sensation of discuss about the effects effect of heat. Alright, three are raising their hands. What happened, Pari girl? No doubt Pari is having. Vanchika is raising her hand. Yes, Vanchika, what happened? Let me reach up to Vanchika. Better, let me discuss the topic. Yes, Vanchika, what happened? Unmute yourself.
मैम नो डाउट मैम मैं अनम्यूट हो गई थी म्यूट हो गई
मैम फिर
Now we
वीडियोस
are
पे
going
लग
to
गया
discuss the effect. So who can tell me what are the effects of heat?
मैम आपकी फुल
Can
स्क्रीन
tell me what are the effects of heat? What I mean by this effect of heat? क्या होता है? क्या effects होते हैं heat के? Raise your hands. Those who want to tell. Those who want to discuss with me. See, जब भी हम किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को हीट करते हैं तो क्या होता है? बहुत सारे चेंजेस होते हैं उसके अंदर, राइट? अगर if I talk about ice, then if I put heat to that ice, then what will happen? Its state will be changed, right? It will get converted from solid state to liquid state, right? If I talk about vegetables, right? If I am putting a vegetable in a vessel, then what will happen? If I'm putting the raw vegetables into a vessel and now providing heat to that vessel, I have put water in it and now I have closed it tightly with a lid. Now I'm heating that. What will happen? It will start boiling as we do in the pressure cooker, right? It will start boiling vigorously. And what we observe that water बहुत ज़्यादा hot हो जाता है, right? So what is heat above energy, right?
यस मैम
जब वो boil होगा तो क्या होगा? बॉइल होने के बाद आगे बाहर की जो वेपर बनकर जाएगा इट मे कम आउट आल्सो इट विल स्टार्ट कन्वर्टिंग इनटू द वेपर स्टेट सो एंड वेसल तो है कई बार एक्सपेंशन भी प्लास्टिक वेसल होता है या कोई को उसको जब आप डीप प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं तो एक्सपेंशन शो करते हैं वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट अ सिंपल एग्जांपल ऑफ द रेलवे की जो पटरी right? We have studied the example in our previous class that in the time of summer, there a gap is being provided, right? जब रेलवे रेल की पटरियां बनने जाती है तो उनके बीच में थोड़ा थोड़ा गैप रखा जाता है. Why that gap is being provided? Because when during summers, जब गर्मियों के टाइम में ये एक्सपेंड होंगे, right? Because heat causes expansion. When these will expand, so they need some a little bit space to get expanded, right? अगर ऐसा नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? It will be break, right? It will break. So similarly like that, जब हम wires लगाते हैं, cables लगाते हैं, तो बहुत tightly नहीं खींचा जाता है, right? और थोड़ा सा loose छोड़ा जाता है wire. Okay? Because winter time में क्या होता है? इनमें heat causes expansion, right? And in the time of winter, सर्दियों में क्या होता है? Expansion नहीं होता, contraction होता है, right? So just for this expansion and contraction, the wires are loose. Okay? So we are going to discuss about the effects. Someone was asking something. Any doubt to anyone? Okay, I'm continuing.
मैम
Yes.
मैम किसी के घर से बहुत ज्यादा वॉइस आ रहा है और फिर आपकी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रही है.
Okay, I want everyone.
मैम देखो किसी के घर से बहुत ज्यादा वॉइस आ रही है और फिर उसकी वजह से आपकी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं होती है. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Others are muted. Okay, so what is the first effect? Expansion. And this
Expansion.
expansion is clear to everyone. All right. Now let's discuss the another effect of heat. What is the another effect of heat? First is expansion. Okay.
Ma'am,
We
we have
have
to write this expansion.
Sorry.
We have
Yes.
to write
Yes.
this.
Yes. 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 Okay. Change of state. You may give the example here for railway tracks. Okay. Next is change of state. You may give an example of ice turning into water. That means solid to liquid. What is happening over here? Change of state from solid to liquid. This is the another effect of heat.
मैम आपने जो एक्सपेंशन के नीचे लिखा है ना वो दिख नहीं रहा, वो बोर्ड थोड़ा नीचे है ना, या फिर आप अपना कैमरा, हाँ अब ठीक है.
Okay. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Start writing, everybody. Okay. Now let's discuss the next effect of heat. What is the next effect of heat? We have discussed about expansion, the change of state. Next is chemical change. Okay, chemical changes also occur. Can you guys give me the example for chemical change occurring when we provide heat to any substance? Who are raising their hands? Let me ask to them. Pari is raising her hand. Okay, let me go to Pari. I hope Pari would like to answer this. I think she had lost her connection again. No, Pari is there with me. Yes, Pari, unmute yourself. Switch on your video.
Yes.
Chemical changes also occur. Okay, this example you guys have to tell me. Just find out the chemical change and I'm going to ask you. Okay? So this is about the effects of heat. Okay, this chapter is a little bit okay? Now let's discuss more about these topics. What is chemical change? Also, we are saying that heat causes expansion in solid liquids as well as gases. Right? Expansion is everywhere around.
मैम किसके घर से थोड़ी सारी.
Yes, muted. Don't speak. Expansion is everywhere around us. Okay. A fire alarm, right? Fire alarm के अंदर भी क्या होता है? दो metal steps होती है, right? एक iron की होती है और दूसरी brass की होती है. So when this strip is heated, जब ये गर्म हो जाती है तो क्या होता है? Yes. When this strip is heated, it bends on the side of an iron strip, एंड जैसे ये बेंड होती है, जो बेंड का सर्किट होता है वो कंप्लीट हो जाता है एंड उसकी वजह से फायर अलार्म बजने लग जाता है, राइट? One more example for this expansion I have provided you, that space is being left between the two section of the rail tracks, because when in the summer time these railway tracks will get expanded, then they need a little bit space to get expanded. Okay, so for to provide them that space, it is required. All right. स्टील के ब्रिजेस की अगर मैं बात करूं, हैव यू गाइस सीन द ब्रिजेस वी मेड फॉर द स्टील, राइट? सो स्टील के जो ब्रिजेस होते हैं वो रोलर्स के ऊपर रेस्ट करते हैं, राइट? तो इनफ स्पेस को प्रोवाइड कराया जाता है बिटवीन द रोलर्स फॉर एक्सपेंशन ड्यूरिंग समर. ओके, सो expansion classify this expansion, we will read it into three different categories: expansion in solids, liquids and gases. So let's discuss that. Expansion in all the three states of matter. I'm going to wrap this.
मैम आपने चेंजेस ऑफ स्टेट की आगे एग्जांपल में क्या लिखा है?
वो आप मुझे बताओगे. मैं कल this is your homework to find out. Okay, this example you guys will have to search and let me know tomorrow. When we will be having our next class. A little bit effort I want you guys also. Okay. So now we are going to start with expansion in solid. See, solids के जो molecules होते हैं see, and now we are going to discuss about expansion in solid. See, solids के जो molecules होते हैं, they are packed very close to each other as we know, right? As we compare it with the liquids and with the gases, then the molecules of solid are very tightly packed to one another, right? बहुत अच्छे से tightly packed होते हैं. So the position of these molecules is almost fixed in solid, right? आप इनको हिला नहीं सकते. They are not having gaps between them. They are closely packed with one another. If I talk about liquids, then they are having little bit of spaces between them. Okay, and gases are having too much of spaces between the molecules, so they can spread very comfortably, conveniently, and too quickly. Also, I can say. Okay, so different properties of these states of metal and heavy will be able to teach out from the classes. So here we are going to discuss about the expansion. Okay. So the force of attraction between the molecules are very strong. So these molecules will vibrate only about their mean position. They will not change their places. Okay. Other than molecules, and they will change their places into the vessel in which they are being kept. But if I talk about gases, and if I provide heat gases, then they will also change their places, and they will be start moving here and there, right? So Brownian motion कहते हैं. Okay, but solids, will they also, their particles also change their places? No, definitely not. What they will do, they will just keep on vibrating on their places. Okay. Yes, Sujal is having some doubt. Let me check the chat box and unmute Sujal. Okay. Sujal want to ask something. Yes, Sujal, coming back to you.
Ma'am, I'm muting myself. Can you unmute me again because I need to bring my pen.
Yes, Sujal.
मैम हमने केमिकल चेंज का क्या एग्जांपल लिखा था?
Chemical change का example I asked you guys to find out. Okay, you guys have to tell me.
Yes ma'am, दिख नहीं रहा था.
For that, no, I haven't written over there actually, and I asked you.
मैम आपने जो चेंज ऑफ स्टेट में आइस टर्निंग लिखा था ना, आइस टर्निंग इनटू वाटर होगा.
Yes. Ice turning into water, that is solid to liquid. Okay. So we are discussing about expansion in solid. So let's just write in this.
मैम we have to write this.
Yes. Solids are very tightly packed, no intercellular spaces between them.
मैम केमिकल चेंज का एग्जांपल मैं बताऊं.
और ये
मैम रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन.
yes, very good. Rusting of iron. Okay, that is the chemical change. So when it come into contact of, but it happens. It doesn't happen with the heat. That is a chemical change. But मैंने आपसे पूछा heat के लिए. Okay, effect of heat. All right. Just find out more. That is a chemical change, but not for hair. वो heat से नहीं होता है. वो air के contact से होता है. All right, Sujit. So in no intermolecular spaces between them, they are having when we provide heat, it is get vibrated. Okay, they don't change their place, they just get vibrated. Connectivity is also being given over here. Okay, when we heat a solid, movement of these molecules increases the force of attraction between the molecules is too strong. So
मैम
they vibrate only about their position. Right, Vijay? Okay, they don't change
मैम
their
सॉलिड्स
position.
आर वेरी लाइटली पैक्ड है या ब्राइटली पैक्ड है.
Sorry.
मैम वो जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है एक्सपेंशन इन सॉलिड्स के नीचे, उसमें
Tightly
सॉलिड्स आर
tightly
lightly.
packed. Yes. Okay,
मैम
so
वाइटली.
is also being mentioned over here that to demonstrate the external thermal expansion in solids. Okay, so just check in your book this activity, everyone. One apparatus is being provided. Okay, that consists of metal ring and a metal ball. You are able to see this metal ring with a metal ball. Okay. See, earlier this metal ball was not being passed through the ring. Now what we have done, हमने उसको गर्म कर दिया, right? What we have done, we have heated the ball using the Bunsen burner for a few minutes. अब ball और उस ring को हमने गर्म कर दिया. Okay, so the ball has expanded on heating. Now we have left the ball for some time and allowed it to cool. Again, we have tried to pass it. This time the ball passes through the ring. This is because the ball contracts on cooling. Okay? या तो आप ring को गर्म कर दीजिए. Okay? And you will allow that iron ring to get heated. What will happen? That ring will get expanded. Okay? When that ring will get expanded, then the ball will be, see, if this is the ring, okay, and this is the ball. Now ball is not able to enter into it. Now what I'll do, I'll heat this ring. Okay, I'll provide it the heat. I'll provide the heat to this. Okay, and now the ball will be able to enter into it. या फिर मैंने क्या किया? I have heated this ball. Okay, now the ball will get expanded. Okay, but when it will cool, it will contract also. So after cooling, when it will get contracted, then now if I'm allowing it to move to that ring, it will be able to. Okay, so this is the effect of this will explain the expansion of in solids, and this is just because of the heat that is being provided. Yes, Suja?
मैम साइड के 2-3 वर्ड दिख नहीं रहे बोर्ड के.
I don't know what's happening today.
मैम बिटवीन के आगे नहीं दिख रहा सेकंड मैम.
Is it okay now?
मैम बिटवीन के आगे आपने कुछ लिखा है वो नहीं दिख रहा.
Them. Okay. So activity, I think it must be clear to you. Now let's discuss expansion in liquids.
मैम अभी भी नहीं आ रहा.
Wait, Sujan. Let me set the camera once.
यस मैम अब आ रहा है.
Okay. Expansion in liquids. Now we are going to read about. So let's write it quickly. What is expansion in liquids? See, as I have told you, molecules of liquids are not so tightly packed just like solid. Okay, they are having a little bit spaces between them. Alright? And if I compare it to solid and compared to gases, less space. Gases are having more space between their molecules as compared to liquid. Okay, so the space between the molecules of liquid is more than solid but less than gases. Okay, so as I have told you that they are having some spaces between them. उनके बीच में थोड़ा सा gap होता है. So they can also show this expansion. Their molecules can change the places. Okay, can move freely inside the liquids, right? जब मैं किसी bottle को गर्म करूंगी और any liquid, if I'm allowing any liquid to get heated, then what will happen? It will start boiling, and when it will start boiling, it will change it. The molecules may change their place. Okay? Vibration increase हो जाते हैं, and इसी की वजह से क्या होता है, इनके बीच में की average distance ज्यादा है वो और ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है, and this increase in the volume of liquid. Okay, so having
मैम टाइम ओवर हो गया 10. मैम टाइम ओवर हो गया 10 बज गए.
Okay, sorry, I didn't notice. चलिए, expansion in liquids. Just write down this sentence, and furthermore, we will discuss in our next class. Please note it down. I'm having another class. Do it quickly. Now, next topic we will discuss in our next class. This we will continue with this expansion in liquid. Okay. Thank you so much for today's class. Everyone, have a nice day. Thanks a lot.
मैम
Yes.
मैम 1 मिनट, ये सेंटेंस बचा है.
Okay, do it quickly.